how to claim your business on Yelp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, our customers talking about your business on Yelp, but you haven't claimed your page yet. Well, in today's video, I'll show you how to officially claim your business on Yelp and unlock tools to manage your reputation and respond to reviews and attract more customers. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the web browser on your phone, and now here, once inside the web browser, simply tap on the search bar and simply search for business.yelp.com. And once you search for it, just tap on the first link or the page, and once you do it, you'll be prompted to the official portal of business owners of Yelp. So here you just have to tap on the search bar and enter your business name and location, and after that Yelp will show you the list of matching businesses. So here you can just find your businesses in the list and click claim this business next to it. And if it's not listed, you can also create a new page by clicking on add your business to Yelp, and after that you will be asked to sign in with your Yelp business account. And if you don't have one yet, you can create it for free using your email and password. And to verify that you own the business, Yelp may call your business phone number or send a verification code to your registered email. And once verified, you'll get access to your business dashboard, and there you can update your business hours, add photos, write a bio, and respond to review. And that's it. That's how easy it is to claim your business on Yelp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.